Mr. Aliu, I have a question to ask you. Why are you sleeping on a bicycle? Why haven't you joined Royal Q? With all your business IQ? Bros, I no go lie you know say I like you. I'm not trying to psych you. If you join Royal Q, your friends go want to be like you. No need to argue. If poverty argue, Royal Q got you. With your capital in your wallet, your money grows in your pocket. Register, activate, bind API and forget. Victor Isibor, the anti-Ponzi warrior. What is the daily ROI? My oh my, you still dey find ROI? Most ROI business is scam investment. It's a fraud. Scam is understatement. Walai talai, you can't fix ROI. Fixed daily returns is a very big lie. You don't control demand and supply. Profit varies. Crypto is volatile, but I promise the profit is gonna be worth your while. I'm an educated boy from Benin. I'm a smart guy. I don't waste my money. That Mr. Ponzi, now your cash you want color be. In this harsh economy, Ponzi is public enemy. My Royal Q team is for men and women who want to learn and earn. Technical Zoom meetings every now and then. Daily trade signals is 10 over 10. Hello, mister and my dear sister. Don't be a time waster. Look below and register. My good friend Aliu, another question to ask you before I leave you. Of all online hustle currently available, which one is as old as Royal Q? Haha, even the question shock you. Ponzi come, Ponzi go, Royal Q remain. Ponzi come, money go, but you know they learn.
Good day all. We'll be talking about Royal Q and the possibilities we have trading with the Royal Q bot. In this present economy, we all will agree that it totally makes a lot of sense to earn in foreign currencies like dollars, pounds, or euro. This will help us pay our bills with ease and still live a decent lifestyle. We also know that several people, including myself, have ventured into different businesses and or investment both online and offline in the past that finally resulted in us losing money, Ponzi's included. This is not a weakness, but strength on its own. I do believe we all have learned a lesson or two from making such mistakes in the past, and yes, recently with the few that just failed last week. Be that as it may, we're moving forward with a good company like Royal Q. So what is Royal Q all about? Royal Q is a company that has been able to put up a robot or bot that can help us trade the cryptocurrency market with ease and make profit daily. The company has been around for over 3 years and counting. The cryptocurrency industry has thousands of coins to trade on. However, we trade about 80 coins only on the Royal Q bot. Volatility is something you will hear oftentimes in this industry, and a lot of people are afraid of it as they may buy a coin at a certain price, expecting the value to go up for them to make money, yet the value may go southwards instead, thus making them lose money. Well, it would interest you to know that in Royal Q, we're all excited about the volatility. We're excited to see the red candles because in that movement of uptrend and downtrend lies our profit. How, you will ask? That's where the bot comes into play, as it helps us to buy the dip with our settings, which will show you. The bot can buy between 1 to 300 or more margin calls and does a dollar cost averaging, that's DCA, which reduces the floating losses for us and helps us to make more money as the market reverses. So yes, we make money in both the uptrend and downtrend with our Royal Q bot. Now, the other thing that should interest you with trading with the Royal Q bot is the fact that here we do not give our trading capital, or funds to anyone or any company. Your trading capital or money is 100% safe in your crypto wallet on the exchange. Thus, you will not lose any money at all to anyone, nor company or Ponzi schemes. All you need to do is buy your bot for only $120 and have a fee amount in your bot for the company to be able to take their 20% charge on all successful trades. Then you will fund your wallet on Binance or on any other any other Royal Q approved exchange with your trading capital to trade. I must emphasize here again that your capital and profit is 100% safely in your control, in your Binance wallet, and Royal Q has no access to it. In other words, in Royal Q, you do not lose money to scammers or Ponzi schemes. Binance is an exchange where we have our cryptocurrency assets saved in, just like we have accounts with different banks, example Zenith and GT Bank. Registration and setting up the bot takes less than 5 minutes, and you link your bot to the exchange where you have your trading capital through an API. Once this is done, we add you to a group where you can get signals daily to trade. We advise to trade between 3 to 5 coins maximum in a day. We also organize online Zoom trainings on how to be able to pick signals by yourselves by reading the charts, and in the long run makes you self-sufficient without depending on anyone at all. These skills are life skills which you can personally use to trade and earn more daily anywhere in the world. You can monitor trades with the use of the Royal Q bot on your mobile device and can trade 24/7 anywhere in the world. There are 7 reasons why you should be interested in Royal Q. Number 1 being that no payment of salary to anyone because everything is done on your smartphone. Secondly, you don't need any data to be able to trade. No data required. Thus, you don't need internet to buy or sell your digital assets. You have zero supervision, and capital and profits is 100% in your custody, in your wallet. You can also transfer this business to your children or family for them to do as they will. No loss of funds, as we do not deal with third party. No skills are required, as we have several people in our teams who had no clue about cryptocurrency yet trading successfully daily. You also do not need to do a registration with CAC to do your business. Our trading results speak for themselves. Profit is between 10 to 100% monthly, depending on your trading capital, the market sentiment, and strategy and choices of coin traded. What is there not to love about our Royal Q business? Please get back to the person that shared this voice message with you, and let's get you started and earning dollars daily. Thank you again for your time. Have a pleasant day. Goodbye.